I am. Oh, okay.
You okay?
Oh yeah, I'm absolutely fine.
Are you?
Yeah. I just want to take a break and look around. You know, I'm just looking down at this point. It's so pretty here. Do you want something to eat?
You're looking down. I can move that camera where it's looking up a little bit.
Yeah, because I'm watching the trail.
Yeah, let's just do that right there. And let's get another. Enough adventure for you.
Oh, you're throwing that back in my face.
No, it's not. It's not anything being thrown at you.
I'm teasing you. I'm teasing you.
I just want you to know.
I know.
I don't want you get pissed off unnecessarily. Don't think I find that easy to do and not give a shit, because you know, I'll stand up for shit I believe in.
I know you will.
Shit I don't believe in, I ain't standing up for it at all.
Power bar.
Yeah, I know. I ain't crazy. You got all the respect you need, believe me. Nobody.
Sandwich?
Eat half of it or something.
I'll just take a bite. You can have the rest. Woo. Yeah, I just need to screw my head on.
You're still badass though.
Mm-hmm.
Take on these damn trails.
Mm-hmm.
I'm okay with not taking the other leg. If you are.
Mm-hmm. I just as soon go back and get a clean pair of tennis shoes and try pickleball out on it. You want some nuts?
We would never see this
No, we would not.
if we didn't come out here on these bikes.
We could hike this. It's a pretty long hike. But it is revealing that we're the only ones out there.
I know. Except for that other couple.
That's true.
What do you think it's revealing?
What?
What is revealing about it?
Because,
Not the most desirable trail?
yeah, Marin is the mountain biking capital of the world. And you'd think if this was a highly desirable trail, there'd be a lot of people on it.
A lot of people walking it, but not riding.
Mm-mm. You know, it's interesting. We probably did the hardest trail in Marin the second time that we were out on the bikes.
Oh yeah.
So this seems not easy, but a little bit walk in the park. Okay. it doesn't seem quite as easy from this direction, huh? I wonder if it'd be easier to go down this way. Hey, Charles. Never mind. We'll figure it out. What about that way?
Maybe.
You want to go?
Try it.
I don't think I can hold it, Charles. I don't think I'm strong enough. Just dump it on the water. Sorry.
I don't think that's
You think
the
it's
way we should go.
okay? That's fine. Do the route you know, huh?
Oh, the one I made is beautiful. Charles there.
My hero.
Have it on? Come on, sweetie.
Thank you.
All right.
There's this. Yeah. Get them all scrubbed off outside.
All right. This is working us pretty good.
Yeah, it is.